everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a gorgeous set of white opal nails to match this beautiful necklace from Luisa. This necklace is just so dainty and so cute. I couldn't help it. I had to make a set of nails to go with it. I absolutely love Luisa's jewelry. I'll show you how it's packaged in a moment. It would make just such a lovely Mother's Day gift. It's just so cute and little. It absolutely would go with anything, just with the opal. I personally love opals. They've always been one of my favorites. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, you know what? That would make a gorgeous set of nails. So here we are. So we have some opal nails that are super thin. I hope you like it as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
So here's the packaging. Like I said, it's packaged so nicely. I actually prefer this way more than a box. Like I said, it'd be a great Mother's Day gift. You could even stick this in a card just because it is very thin, low profile. I actually keep my necklaces in the little bags that they come in long term. I would never do that with a box. So I love the little bags more. Here's a second necklace that I did get from them. That's the green. I wear a bunch of green, so I figured, that one would be perfect for any of those days. But this opal, it just goes with absolutely everything. I can't say it enough. I also really like how thin the chain is. It doesn't feel heavy. I actually forget I'm wearing it all the time because it is so lightweight. The other thing, just as a mention point, because we are doing nails here, is that the way that this lobster clip is set up, because it is longer and a little bit bulkier on the one side, I find I have a lot easier time opening it than any other necklace I have, just because that clip is made so much more ergonomic. So for me, with my longer nails, it works just fine. I can put these necklaces on and off without the assistance of anyone else. So I feel very independent when I get to do that by myself. So that also is just a huge selling point to me. So here we go to begin the nail design. I am going to start out on one of the opal nails with a coat of a kind of a milky white polish. So the big thing with this opal design is that it is very thin. Usually there's a bunch of opal designs out there, but they use mylar flakes and they kind of build it up a little bit more. I'm going to use just gel polishes, keep it nice and thin, but still try to achieve that depth, which I think worked out very well. So I've got 2 coats of the milky white. Then I'm going to apply a coat of a foil gel. Now using an iridescent faceted foil, I'm going to press that onto the nail. So this is just a clear foil that has a bunch of different holographic directions going on it, so it looks very opally. After I have one layer, but to me, I looked at it because at first I was like, that's probably just an easy, quick way. And I was like, it's gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. Beautiful. I think it could be better. So now I'm going to apply a coat of a chrome polish. And you're probably thinking this is a whole lot of colors, but each one's very thin. So it's not really building up much bulk. And I'm going to use a white pearl and then a pink pearl chrome powder. In the video, it does seem like it's completely getting rid of that foil that's underneath it. It doesn't in real life in person. That foil does show through, but really burnish your chrome powder in. Now go ahead and apply another coat of your foil gel and then another coat or another layer of that multi-holographic faceted foil. Again, it seems like a whole bunch of coats, but with how thin they are, it doesn't really build up that much. It's, keep them as thin as you can and it's just fine. And then look at that with the chrome and then with the 2 layers of the foil. It's just so pretty. I am now going to take a metallic gold gel paint and I'm going to just very subtly add a shadow right around the cuticle. This part is totally optional, but as I am still using inspiration from the necklace, I decided to continue that jewelry element on these nails right along there. Add a little bit of a jewelry gel and then some gel top coat over the top of the whole nail. After that, I'm going to finish this design with a really small, again, we're going dainty here just to kind of keep with that little crystal right at the cuticle in the middle. Now on the other design on the nail that looks a little more necklacey, I'm going to begin with a blush pink. I'm going to do 2 coats of that. Again, this is kind of a jelly color, so it's not so abrupt. Everything about this, just like the necklace, I'm trying to keep it very soft and gentle and sweet looking. I'm now going to cleanse this nail with some isopropyl alcohol to remove the inhibition layer. And you're going to see me use something that I never use. Be prepared. I'm going to use one of these little gold stickers. I have had these for the longest of time. I have never used them. And I figured, if there's ever a moment for it, it is right now. So I'm going to use that as my frame for around the opal because it is just like the little frame on the opal necklace. Fill in the center with my milky white gel polish, add a coat of foil glue on top of, or foil gel on top of my milky white, add my foil. This is going to be very deja vu for everyone. And then I'm going to take some of my chrome gel. As you can see, it's a very, very thin coat. I'm taking as much off as I can. I'm going to do white chrome on top of the opal, or the opal lookalike, and then I'm going to do the pink chrome on the rest of the nail. So the pink chrome I'm going to focus everywhere besides in the middle, and I'm not really trying to get it on my gold circle either. I'm just trying to get it kind of around the rest. Both of these two chromes I'm using are a kind that are very, very sheer, so they don't take over. They just like enhance the background color, if that makes sense. You don't want to, you know, take over the whole thing. Now we're going to do another coat of foil gel. I feel like the opal effect wasn't nearly as obvious on this one in the small space. It was a lot more prevalent on the nails where it's the whole nail that show, but I still can't tell you how much I love it. This foil, I've really been feeling this foil. So you're going to see another video with using that foil again. Completely different style though, in a couple, I don't know, soonish, you know. Now I'm going to take my jewelry gel and I'm going to apply just like the little strings of where the necklace would be attached to the chain. Apply some gel top coat over the whole thing. And then I'm going to take two of those little crystals and I'm going to do I'm going to take four, do two on each side, and press those into the uncured jewelry gel underneath the top coat. And then I'm going to grab some gold caviar beads. I'm not doing a chain. I did have gold chain that I thought of using, but I liked the little crystals better. But I'm going to take my gold caviar beads and I'm going to place them around the crystals to create a little bit more of a faceted look, which is one of my favorite effects that I've ever done with crystals. Anytime I do something with crystals or anything like this, I'm like, they need to have the little caviar beads in there because that just finishes it off. It makes it look complete to me. Once those are all on there, arrange them so that they're in position. Go ahead and cure, but that's it for this nail design. Super quick video. I love the effect though. I am absolutely in love with this necklace. I have probably worn it for the last, 4 days straight because it goes with everything. Every day I'm like, I wonder if I'm like, yep, I'm going to wear it again. It works. It matches. Here's the effect. I have both, a video in some like bright natural light, but indoor. And then I also couldn't help myself because these look absolutely stunning outside. Here is the look of these nails out in the bright sunshine. You can see that the colors from the foil really pick up and come through. You can see that the chrome enhances the opal effect. So pretty, both lights. I actually can't decide which I like better, but I hope you like this entire design. I do have a link for Ana Luisa in the description box below, so go ahead and check for that. They have so many beautiful styles and so many different dainty looks, some that are a little bigger, some monogrammed. Everything is just so beautiful and thoughtful and well designed and well made. So definitely don't forget to check out that, and I will see you all next time. Bye.